Hello, and welcome to Reiki. In today's meditation, you will connect to the energy of Mother Earth, harness its power, and cleanse your energy, mind, body, and soul through the properties of Mother Earth. Please choose a comfortable space where you will not be distracted for the next few moments. Be seated comfortably with your palms facing upwards. It is best to keep your feet on the ground for the purpose of this meditation. Breathe in and out, and with each breath in, breathe in light. And with each breath out, release any stress, anxiety, worries. Gently close your eyes. Bring your attention to your feet. Feel a wave of relaxation going through the soles of your feet, going up your calves and into your knees. And this wave of relaxation is traveling upwards through your thighs, your root chakra, massaging away all stresses, going higher up, just below your belly button where your sacral chakra is, releasing all tension, and going upwards to your solar plexus, releasing any stored anger, going upwards to your heart chakra, orbiting the heart chakra with a lot of light, knowing that it's the center of all, releasing all tension, going upwards to the right shoulder, right elbow, right wrist and fingertips. The same energy is going through the left shoulder, left elbow, left wrist and fingertips, going upwards to your neck, your jaw, releasing tension of all your senses, your eyes, your nose, your mouth, your forehead, and the back of your head. Now feel this wave of relaxing energy going downwards to your upper back, mid-back, and lower back. Here, from the lowest part of your spine, where your root chakra is, send a beaming cord to the center of Mother Earth, commanding it to connect you with the highest power of Mother Earth. Feel the cord going below your feet, below the first layer of earth, going deeper and deeper, piercing through the layers of earth, deepening closer and closer to Mother Earth energy. It is so close that you are now one with Mother Earth energy. And now, with your powerful and strong cord connected to Mother Earth, begin to release all stresses, all worries, all belief systems that no longer serve you. Send them through this cord to be absorbed by Mother Earth. begin to feel lighter and stronger, feeling lighter, stronger, and more connected to yourself. Please bring your attention now a few inches above your head where your crown chakra is, and imagine a golden light pouring through you, beginning with your crown. This golden light is going through every single part of your body, relaxing it, releasing all unnecessary stresses, enhancing vitality, increasing frequency to a place that is so comfortable and so powerful and so you. Embrace this golden light and feel this golden light expand all around you, the length of an arm, in front of you, behind you, above you, below you, and it's the length of an arm to your right and left. This golden light is your energy field. No one can enter this energy field except you. Now visualize from a distance this rose. It's a magnetic rose that has the power to absorb all unnecessary energies that do not serve you or belong to you. Invite this pink rose through. Let it go through your energy field, clearing all unnecessary thought forms. Now invite this rose into your energy field and let it do its work by going upwards and downwards, clearing away all energies that do not serve you or belong to you. Feel it going through your aura, clearing and cleaning and purifying. And now gently ask that rose to leave your energy field. Feel it touching the sun, burning and turning into sparks, and those sparks are part of source energy. And now your energy is so clear and purified. You feel so light and connected to Mother Earth. Bring your attention back to your physical body. Thank yourself for being here, and thank you for watching.